Hi Shams, I'm thrilled to meet you. What's new?
I'm doing great. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm over the moon. Now we are in outdoor session. We are at Mohammadpur, Buddhijibi. Do you know about this?
Yes, I have heard about this. So it's called Buddhibhumi, and the place is a historical place. There are many places like this. This place is particularly interesting because there were very martyrs. They were killed here by the Pakistani during the Liberation War, and besides us, we can see there are various kinds of graves and such. They are the people who were killed in this particular place, and this is a interesting place. Do you know anything about this place?
Yes, I know. Behind the monument, where we can see lots of grave. In 1971, lots of martyrs who were killed in liberation.
So, do you like this place? This is a very old place, and I don't think the government has watched over it. It is very old and worn out, but it's a history that our country is proud of. And during the Liberation War, the intellect of our countries were buried here. As you can see, there are various kind of burials besides us and behind us. All the places are burials. They were our intellect. They were the intelligent persons of that time. If they were alive, Bangladesh would be another great place to be in. Like Bangladesh is great right now, but it would be another level if they were alive.
Okay, Shams, thank you very much for giving us such a beautiful information. Thank you a lot.
You're welcome, and thank you for being here today.